Unit 2. A car and a bus. Bye bye. Bye bye children. Bye bye sir. Listen to your teacher. Read the words aloud after your teacher. A car, a van, a bus, a lorry, a bicycle, a scooter, a motorcycle, a auto rickshaw. Read the words aloud after your teacher. A bus, a car, a auto rickshaw, a bicycle, a scooter, a motorcycle, a lorry, a van. Leave taking. Bye bye Reshmi. Bye bye Roshan. Look, read and choose. Look at the picture. Read aloud the words below it. Put a tick mark against the right word. A car, a bus, a bicycle, a lorry, a auto rickshaw, a scooter. Look, listen and repeat. Look at each picture. Look, listen to your teacher. Repeat the words after your teacher. A cap, a map, a tap, a bag. A man, a van, a fan, a pen. Look and read. Look at the words. Read them aloud after your teacher. Read them several times. Cap, tap, map, bag, pen, fan, man, van. Look and read. Look at the pictures. Read the words aloud after your teacher. A cat, a cow, a crow, a clock. A desk, a duck, a dog, a doll. Traffic light. Red light, red light. What do you say? I say stop, stop. Right away. Yellow light, yellow light. What do you say? I say wait, wait. Right away. Green light, green light. What do you say? I say go, go, go away.